Hi everyone, how are you all doing? This is Praveen Dore from Dice University, and in today's video, we are going to see the introduction to Push Monetization Push Traffic Network tutorial. Let's go! Welcome to today's video on the introduction to push monetization, push traffic network. So basically the push industry has been going crazy since the year 2018, and when we talk about push monetization, it has actually been under the radar for quite some time, even though the push monetization was developed earlier in the year 2017 itself. When the push monetization gets a peak is in the year of 2019, especially the late 2019, it became extremely successful and popular. And when you're talking about 2020, which this year, it's one of the most popular push traffic network there is. If you go ahead and search for push notification keyword in Google, you'll get numerous platforms and networks that actually become a push traffic network. But you can actually see push monetization as one of the most popular and crazy push traffic network in the year 2020. So basically we are going to talk about the push monetization. So let's look at the website of push monetization and let's see what they have to say about themselves. So basically the website is actually done in green color. That itself is a huge advantage in the terms of personal satisfaction for me, because my favorite color is green. So personally I like this website just by looking at the color itself. But professionally, if you ask me to judge this website in the terms of design, it looks pretty neat. So it looks, when you look at this website itself, you know by the name push monetization, and then when you look at the design of the website, the features that they actually put in the website itself, you know that this is actually a ad company, a traffic network. So that is what a design should actually do with a website. It should actually helps you to see what is the purpose of the website by looking at the design itself, not looking at the word. You don't need to look at the word, just look at the design and you know what is this website about. And that they actually done a very good job in doing this. So what they actually say is push notification advertising, so providing publisher with additional revenue. This they actually say is about push. So you can actually go ahead and watch a video over here regarding push advertising with push monetization. There's a lot of push word, guys. What can I do? Because these networks, they usually name their network push as well. So there's a push traffic network as well. So there's a lot of push. So bear with me on this, guys. So they actually say a step-by-step tutorial on how it actually works. So it's really step by step, guys. So step one, what you can actually do, you need to sign up. Step two, install the script. Step three, make the money. And then they do have additional features that they like to say over here. A referral system, a 5% commissional referral system, a leaderboard to win fun prizes, good, custom permission prompts, easy to use, global coverage, live support 24/7, which is great. So supported browsers, Safari, Chrome, Firefox, Opera. Great. So this is their live inventory, and their monthly impression is increasing always. So their monthly impression now is actually 15 million plus monthly impression, which is pretty nice. And they do have testimony from people, from HQ Viral, from media buyers, and you can also visit affiliate paying for more reviews. Paying is actually a company which reviews a lot of affiliate networks. They're very trusted when it comes to reviewing. Like, unlike me, I'm not trusted. I'm just joking, guys. So yeah, so they're very trusted when it comes to reviewing networks. So you can actually go ahead and see paying for more reviews, and they do relate payer, which means that they are actually a very genuine network. So that's basically for publishers. So for advertisers, what you can actually do is untapped inventory, targetable audience, CPM bidding, affordable CPM. So there's nothing special over here that I can actually see. So let's see anything else. So there's really nothing special that actually I can see. You can actually see that they was actually established in the year 2017. So basically everything looks pretty neat and everything looks like a very ordinary type of push traffic network, a basic type of push traffic network. They don't have any additional features which actually put them on top. I don't think that they have any features like that, but let's not judge them. Let's go ahead into their dashboard and see how the push monetization push traffic network looks like within their dashboard. So to do that, you have to remember that you have to sign up first. I've already signed up, so I'm going to press login into the dashboard. So once you have logged in, this is how the dashboard will look like. So their dashboard is like pretty old-fashioned dashboard, but everything looks pretty neat, and as long they are neat, guys, everything looks pretty nice. So they do have an internal tracking system, as you can see over here. If they have like this kind of columns and this kind of stuff, so they do have an internal tracking system. And usually this kind of traffic network, they do have internal in-house tracking system as well. Let's see whether they recommend external tracking software or not, because some softwares, they do have internal tracking software itself, but they do recommend external tracking software for your convenience, to make your life much more better, to make your campaign much more better as well. So you can actually judge whether a network is good or not if they actually ask you to get an external tracking software. That's actually to improvise your campaign, not to make your life much more miserable, guys. You have to take that in consideration. But some, they do not even recommend external tracking software, but they only say, yeah, you can actually go ahead and use my in-house tracking software, even though their in-house tracking software does not have a lot of stuff. Basically, we are not here to judge anything, so let's go ahead and see the features first. So this is actually the main dashboard. So they do have your subscribers locations as well. So our new payment page is live. If you're not earned over $50, you can enter your payment info and you will be paid every Monday if you have an invoice. So the next section over here on the left hand side, there's like a lot of sections over here. So let's go ahead and press each and one of these sections and see. So the properties is where you can actually go ahead and add a new property, which is your website. So you can go ahead and add your website. So basically this is for publishers, so this is not something which we want over here. So the next section would be the statistics section. So when you go to the statistics section, you can actually see the date range for your stats. So depending on what is your impression, what is your revenue, you can actually determine this statistic by the date, by countries, by whatever that you want. So this is a statistics section. And the next section over here is the sublink section. So to have a sublink, you have to create a property first. Within this particular property, you can actually create a sublink. This is actually a new feature that Push Monetization has. So you can actually go ahead and create a brand new sublink within your main property, which is your main website. So next one would be the notifications. So you can actually determine your notifications, but you need to add a property first. Let's go ahead and add property, because everything they are asking to add a property first. So let's go ahead and add property first. Let's just go ahead and add my normal website. So it's going to be like just let's just do it for fun, guys. Let me just do it very fast. All right, let's just create it so that I can actually see URL format is. All right, so I've actually created a property over here. So they actually basically asked me to set the tracker and all this kind of stuff. But that's for publishers, guys. I want to know more about what a media buyer can do. I don't want to know regarding publishers. We are not here to talk about publishers. We are here about push notifications and how to create a campaign. So what can I do with the campaign? Can I create notifications over here? So no, this notification is not for creating ads as well. So there's okay earning sections over here, reports and payments. Basically normal, you can actually get your payment. So basically, as you can see, they are talking about getting payments and all this kind of stuff. So they are not talking about adding fund into the account. So I'm pretty confused, guys. So can you make a push ad over here, or you can't make any push ad? So there's referral program over here. There's also profile. Can I see over here? Yes, guys, that's about it, guys. So basically what they're actually telling is you can only do publisher kind of stuff over here. And I actually went back to the push monetization website. I tried to sign up as an advertiser as well. So basically it's the same thing. So this does make life a little bit hard for you, right? Since you can't go ahead and make a push notification ad as well. But don't be sad, guys, there is a way that you can actually go ahead and do it as well. So what you can do is you can go back to the push monetization website over here. You can scroll down further when you actually see advertisers, and you can actually go ahead and contact them over here. So this is not a registration form. Actually, you can still contact them, but you can actually see that they are actually still asking for your website. So they are still approaching everything in a publisher kind of view, not from a media buyer, not from an advertiser kind of view. So the dashboard also looks like this. So even though they say that they are actually a traffic source company, basically what is the point of being a traffic source company if you can't even create a push notification ad? So that's about it in today's video, guys. You can actually go ahead and use the push monetization if you want to become a publisher, if you want to monetize your website, you want to monetize your app and all this kind of stuff. But that's not what we are going to do here. We are going to talk about push monetization, push traffic network, and basically you can't do much with push monetization. So I think that's about it in today's review, guys. I think I've talked very little in today's review. I always say that I've talked a lot in today's review, but yeah, I've talked very little in today's review because this is the first time I'm actually getting access into push monetization myself, and personally it's disappointing. It's very disappointing. I really hope that you can actually go ahead and learn stuff regarding push notification from this video. But if you want to make push notification ads, push monetization is not the place that you want to be, guys. Definitely not gonna be here. But if you want to monetize your site, or you want to monetize your app or something like that, then definitely you can go ahead and take a look at push monetization, because it's more lenient to the publisher side. It's not lenient to the advertiser sites. So that's about it in today's video, everybody, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. But before I go,
allow me to introduce the Dice University Forum. Whether you are trying to make your first conversion on ClickBank or scale your campaigns to 6 figures, the Dice University Forum offers you exactly what you need, like high-quality landing page templates, detailed case studies, and exclusive discounts. The forum has no outdated information. All resources inside are from campaigns that are running right now. Do you want to learn from super affiliates? Check the link in the description and sign up today.